Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use green screen on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion app on your device. And now you will be taken into the application homepage. From this page, you can either create a new project by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom, or you can open up your recent projects by tapping on projects. Now either way, once you are inside your editor, you will be able to make your desired edits on the timeline. Now, if you wish to use green screen within your edit, then first of all, just import this file, which can be either video or image, by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose media and upload your green screen image or video. Once you upload this, make sure you select it and then tap on effects at the bottom right corner. Then tap on add effect, and now from the effects menu, choose chroma key. Now, depending upon the color profile, you can choose various different presets, but the standard setting will work just fine. Once you choose chroma key, make sure to choose the key color value the same as the one that you see on the screen. And once you have chosen your desired threshold and other settings, your green screen video will be ready to be used on your project. And there you have it. That is how you can add green screen to your videos on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.